challenge.
What?
So the way this works is we are gonna spin the wheel, and I get dump it, and I'd have to dump my slime into Keegan's. But say I got glow in the dark glue, I'd pick a glow in the dark glue, and I'd add it. So yeah. Before we get started,
You can smash that like and subscribe. Okay, 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? And we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get started. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors. See who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go. Okay. Let's spin. Pink glue. All right.
My nose got you that.
This one. Or can I do the clear one?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Excuse you.
Keegan, your turn.
What am I gonna get? Green glitter.
All right. Here you go. Don't add the whole thing.
Too late.
Okay. My spin. I got dump it. So that means I have to dump it in Keegan's. Okay, I'm glad.
Wait,
I
do we
don't like
switch
this.
then? Or should she just dump all hers in?
He's sad or happy?
Happy.
I am too, because I did not want this. I should have done the opaque one. That's the one I didn't like. I picked the one I liked. That's good.
Hey.
That's as much as I can.
Watch it, buddy. You're gonna glue on my finger.
That's about as much as it can come out.
I think I dumped it.
I'm gonna mix my tad bit of glue that I can't.
Shaving cream!
I should have thought about here. You can add the rest of the bottle. We should have thought about dump it before. That's a lot for a little bit of slime, but I'm going to be adding purple glitter. I like this. It's like kind of a. It looks like. I really like these ones. And it'll give it a texture since there's so little glue in here since I dumped it. But there's still a decent amount of glue in here. I just couldn't dump it.
3, 2, 1. Orange glitter!
A new package just for you.
Whoa.
I got. Dump it again! By the end of this, I'm going to have nothing. Put your bowl here. I had a very pretty thing going on.
I know, thank you.
It's kind of ugly though. I feel like we're making cookies or something. Or not cookies, cake. Or like muffins or something. Alright, that's good. Okay. Nice. Your spin?
Alright guys, you ready? Hopefully I don't get to dump it. Whoa. Red glitter glue. That was scary. I almost got dump it, guys.
Alright, so I'm going to let him pour that and then we're going to spin again to actually get something. Alright, we're going to do 10 rounds. So I got orange glitter. Let's go. This one's so pretty. I'm going to add like a lot. More than expected. To my little bits of glue. They just keep getting littler and littler.
Ready? Let's mix it. And what? Red glitter glue again?
Alright, no more red glitter glues. And I am getting today orange glitter again. So we are on round 6 now? Or this is your round 5?
This is round 6, I think.
Or 6, yes. So far I might not even have a slime. Alright guys, we're moving on to round 7. And I am getting pink glitter I want them to be able to see this.
I got it, Riley. Riley, I got it. Riley, please don't.
Keegan.
Riley! That's good, that's good.
No, you have to add it all.
Now I'm covered in glue.
All right. Guys, yes, I have a thing. And we're moving on to round 8. Green glitter? Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Thank you. This is actually really pretty. All right, I'm just gonna add the remains. All right, your spin for round 8. I think it is
Pink glue.
all right. The opaque one is yours.
Can you help me open it?
Yeah, I'm kind of gluey too. Oh, never mind, you got it. All right, round 9. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet because I spun a little early. All right, for round 9, I got purple glitter. All right, Keegan, you want to spin for your round 9?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you get?
Butter activator.
Ooh, butter slime activator. All right, guys, I guess we both get activated at the end, so let's go. Keegan, this is our last round. Pink glue. Yay, so either way, I'm secured with a slime.
Ew.
All right, Keegan, this is your last spin.
Pink glitter glue.
Spin again.
Orange glitter.
Yes, we have that. I was gonna flip. I am very happy with my final glue, but now it's time to activate it. So things could go different. From there, now we're gonna add the activator into the bottle. Oof. Still caught it. So like probably that much since it's not too much. And then guys, you're gonna close up your cap really tightly and shake. So this should have turned into slime.
Oh, goodness gracious.
It did! It turned into slime! It did it! Guys, I did it. See? It turned into those little store-bought jelly slimes. That are like the really weird feeling jiggly ones. Did I just create a new way to make slime? Guys, we're trying that again, since that's the only part that came out. Maybe the activator will let it slide, but I am trying that again. We'll get that later. Good thing we have a backup. All right, guys, ready? I don't know how to. Imagine.
Yeah, my slime failed, guys.
All right, guys, ready? Ready? It turns into slime. It's literally like a oozy slime. See? That's so weird. Okay, so that idea worked. We got some nice slime. Alrighty, guys, so we are gonna set up. So come over and see them.
Alright, guys, this is my slime. It's like a rubber. Like, see, it's like a bouncy ball.
That's cool.
It's not the best slime. Awfully sticky. But who cares?
This is my slime, guys. So this is my slime, guys. It is a really nice textured glitzy slime. Yes, I'm calling it glitzy. I'm not copying Compound Kings, I promise. So it's very glittery, it's very stretchy, it does not break, and it's got a really nice poke. Alrighty guys, we hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. We'll see you all next time. Bye. I have to do it for him.